Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, guess what? There is very big good news right now from the stable of Hamster Kombat. Right now, if you come to this airdrop menu right here, you can see the changes right here, and you can see right here airdrop allocation points, and you can see right here these are the major points that is gonna determine how much you are gonna earn from Hamster Kombat when it finally launch. You can see right here they make mention of passive income, end task, friends, achievements, Telegram subscription, and keys. Right here I'm going to explain this one after the other just in case you are still confused right here. Okay, now when it comes to passive income, I think this has to do with your profit per hour. And how do you gain this profit per hour? It's all about you buying these cards, right? That is where the passive income comes in. So your profit per hour is playing a major role in Hamster Kombat's allocation distribution. Okay, so make sure you keep increasing your profit per hour. And at the same time, let me explain this. They also make mention of end task, right? Now this end task, if you come to end right here, they always introduce YouTube task here. It's all about you going to their YouTube channel, watch their daily videos, then always take this daily reward very serious, okay, which is one of the daily tasks right here. And you can see all these things they do post here, that is all this falls under the end task. And they also have your friends. So guys, if you are a Hamster Kombat CEO and you don't have any referral, again, I think it's high time you look for means to get your referral. Meanwhile, make sure you are getting it in the right way. Do not refer yourself. Don't go ahead and create multiple accounts in that same Telegram account in order to meet up with this. Okay, so you need to have at least, don't worry, I made a video here on this channel a few weeks ago on how to do that. So I'm gonna paste the link in the description, so check the link in the description. I'm gonna paste the link right there so you can learn how to get massive referrals without inviting people, right? So the next thing right here is the achievement. So I already made a video about an achievement. You can see all these are all the numbers of achievement. You can see upgrade cards to level 15, upgrade cards to level 23, collect coins, and the rest of them here, right? So anything that is under your achievement really matter in Hamster Kombat airdrop allocation. And another thing here is Telegram subscription. Let me tell you something. If here is not ticked, you can see join Telegram channel. If your own is not ticked, that simply means you haven't joined Hamster Kombat channel. So if you are one of those that only click this link without doing the task, I will advise you to do that. Okay, so going back to this keys, right? You can see right now that the key is very important. Most of you are saying that the key is not important, that they are doing this in order to earn more. Listen, you can see it right here. You can see it right here that the key is playing a major role in Hamster Kombat airdrop allocation. And another thing here, you can see withdrawal. Guys, this is to show you that Hamster Kombat launching is almost here, so expect something big from Hamster Kombat very soon. So meanwhile, if you are watching this video and you are not a CEO yet, I will advise you to join right now via the link in the description. Okay, you still have enough time to join this now. Okay, so it is not too late, you can still join, right? So that is the update I have for you from the stable of Hamster Kombat, and thank you for being part of this community. So guys, if you have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you'll be notified. So guys, see you in my next video.